Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a BMW with the EVO original setup. As you can see, this is the original menu here. So if I was to hold down the menu button, it would then go into the aftermarket side. So this is what you can see today. This is the Android Auto, which is actually wired and also wireless. This is a wired connection at the moment. As you can see with me using, there's my hand there, just moving the command panel, and it's going round. So as you can see, there's no lag. Very nice and quick and responsive. And also I'm going to show you the CarPlay setup in a moment. So just hold that down. That'll then take you back over into the aftermarket side, which is the actual home page of the MMI box. If you want to go back onto there, just press the little icon in the top right hand corner, and obviously you can move around there as such. Click the back button, which takes you back to, just 1 second, the back button takes you back down to there, back to there, and then you can hold that one there and goes back into the original menu. Okay, give us a few moments and I'll show the CarPlay side to it, and you can see how nice it looks with that one. Okay, cheers. A second, don't mind me going out there.